According to Russian sources, the Ukrainian one-way suicide drone attack on Kushtyovskaya Air Force Base in the Krasnodar Krai region of southwestern Russia on Friday night caused damage to at least 2 aircraft utilized by the 797th Training Aviation Regiment, as well as a storage building for Fab 500 and Fab 1500 glide bomb kits. A frank explanation by a Russian serviceman on whether it is worth going to Ukraine to earn money. He says that only fools would entertain such an idea, as any sense of patriotism fades rapidly once you realize that you want to live. Finally, some among them are starting to grasp that the financial incentives, while significant by Russian measures, aren't worth risking a harrowing death from kamikaze drones or mortar attacks.
Очередное решил записать все-таки видео. Думаю, пока сижу, пью тут энергетик. Кстати, вот, Burn. За рекламу, сука, заплатите мне или нет, нахуй, а? Значит, хотел что сказать еще о самом таком наболевшем. Вот с кем я ехал, пацаны. Молодые были. Одному было вообще 19 лет. Вот. Но он даже не представлял, даже не знал, как держать автомат, как его разбирать, как его заряжать и как с ним общаться, с этим автоматом. Ну, это человек уже, так сказать, с боевым опытом. Вот. Дали ему броник, каску, автомат, патроны, мы приехали сюда. И отправили нас на передок, короче. И в итоге эти пацаны куда-то потерялись 4 новеньких. Там еще один был позывной нос, по-моему. Или нет, что-то такое. Тоже первоходка. Его спрашивают, а нахуя ты сюда пришел? Как нахуя? За деньгами. А, ну за деньгами, понятно. Вот тебе автомат, вон там, пиздорезка. Иди и зарабатывай деньги. Все, вперед, нахуй. И пошли мы, короче, зарабатывать деньги, нахуй. И заработал он, короче, да хуя он заработал. 200. 200 он стал. 200. Потому что в армии он не служил, без опыта нет никакого, он тоже не умеет общаться с оружием. Как стрелять, куда стрелять, зачем стрелять, что делать с камикадзами, если тебе птичка летит, а если встать, а если лечь, а если так. Дохуя вопросов глупых, которые вообще долго разъяснять, а куда мы едем, а зачем мы едем. Деньги ты едешь зарабатывать, дорогой ты мой друг. Деньги. Хотел денег, приехал за деньгами, думал, все так шик-и-мык. Нихуя. Сперва надо определиться, стараться как-то выжить.
Commander-in-Chief Syrski has issued an update, stating that the situation has deteriorated, providing specific details. The situation is challenging, but not dramatic. In a Telegram post, Commander-in-Chief Syrski reported on the deterioration of the situation in the east. Defense forces have relocated to new positions west of Berdichev, Semenivka, and Novomikhailivka. Russia has achieved some tactical success. He also mentioned that Russia has experienced minor tactical victories in the Kupiansk area, where they have deployed a substantial number of troops. The 12th Azov Brigade of the NG is one of the units involved in the northeast, southeast from Kupiansk near Kremina. Ivanivsky and Chasiv Yar continue to be the focal points of intense activity. Russia is also active in the south. None of this is unexpected. Ukraine is facing an extremely challenging situation, which is expected to persist for the coming months as they address their manpower shortage through mobilization, fortify defensive positions, and await the arrival of aid. There's no need to panic, and the Ukrainian leadership has a thorough grasp of the situation. It's commendable that Syrski is actively maintaining communication about the situation while also endeavoring to establish realistic expectations for the challenging months ahead. 4 battalions of Chechens arrived at a distance of 150 to 200 kilometers to the border with the Sumy region, but we are ready for any scenario, Deputy Chairman of the Sumy District Council Bitsak said. At the moment, there is a lot of military equipment, like the M109 Paladin self-propelled guns here, on Poland's rails heading east. The Ukrainian military of the main Directorate of Intelligence of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine destroyed the Russian radio electronic station Repenik. Large-scale floods continue in Russia, but all the money and resources are aimed at supporting the war and killing of Ukrainians. On the video, Russia's Tyumen region. In the Abatsky district, the water level in the Ishim River rose by 18 centimeters and amounted to 1139 centimeters in 6 hours. Emergency evacuation was announced in 4 settlements. According to U.S. Navy officials, this morning at roughly 3:40 a.m., a vehicle attempting to enter Expeditionary Base Little Creek Fort Story in Norfolk, Virginia, ran the front gate, causing security forces to place the base on lockdown and raise the hydraulic access barriers, which the vehicle subsequently collided with and caught fire before exploding. The on-base fire service was activated and the fire was extinguished. However, the driver was declared dead at the scene. The incident is currently being investigated by NCIS and other federal agencies.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.